here's an outrageously easy way to learn literally anything 10 times faster. There's mainly 4 steps. We're going to go through each steps one at a time. Okay? We're going to go fast, so hopefully you can keep up. Step 1. Choose one concept or topic, and I want you to be specific and just prioritize relevance when you choose that topic. Don't prioritize something which is completely irrelevant and break down that topic into, let's say, subsections. Step 2. Teach it to a child. What I mean by this is don't kidnap a child, but use simple language, use analogies and metaphors to explain something simply. If you're studying something like science, you should really make use of analogies. It's a whole different video, but and then afterwards record yourself. Like while explaining it to a quote unquote child, just record yourself. Step 3. Identify gaps. Review your recording. Ask why 5 times when you're explaining, because normally when you're explaining it to a child, the child's going to keep asking why, or why or how. Okay? Spot the gaps. When you see you're using a lot of jargon, try to rephrase it. Okay? Use simple language that maybe even a kid could understand. And then step 4, teach it to others. Somebody more at your level. Let's say maybe you're taking a class with them, or they're at like a similar age than you, so they would probably understand it. Basically, this whole technique is called the Feynman technique, which is the whole concept of it is to pick a topic, teach it to somebody very simply, identify the gaps, teach it to others. And if you do this, you will improve your retention and you will improve the way you learn. Because the best way to remember information and understand it to its core is to literally teach it to somebody else. And with all that said, join my free Discord, free coaching calls, 2-hour scholar. Bye-bye.